So here we are on the home page. If you want to import, you're gonna have to go to sales page, sales channels, online store. Please click on online store, and here we have navigation. Please click on navigation, and then here in navigation we have view URL redirects. Please click on view URL redirects, and then here we have import URL redirects. Click on that, and now here you can add your file. You can click on add file, and you can also see here download sample CSV template to see an example of the format required. And for more details, you can also click on learn more about importing redirects, and then you can just add a file, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this short video helpful. I hope it saved you time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and like this video if you found this helpful.